Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Udacity affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Udacity affiliate program, start by visiting the Udacity affiliate program website. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and website URL. Carefully read through the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Open the confirmation email and click on the provided link to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, log into your affiliate dashboard using your credentials. In your dashboard, locate the section labeled Affiliate Settings. Here, you will find your unique affiliate ID and tracking links. Make sure to keep this information secure, as you will use it later to promote Udacity courses. To start promoting, navigate to the Promote section in the dashboard. Choose the courses or programs you want to promote to your audience. Copy your unique tracking link for the chosen course. You can now share this link on your website, social media platforms, or through email marketing. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to see clicks and conversions. Focus on creating engaging content that attracts potential students. Regularly check for updates in the affiliate program to stay informed about new offers or promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.